Okay, so now we will start writing the ayah. As you saw, inna does not have much variation. We will take this line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I'll just start from maybe here 1 2. I'll just take the mizan 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is the basic mizan that we would require. Okay, inna. So first alif is will making on 7 nukta height standard, or I will just make it, alif part depth will be 2 nukta. I'm extending alif of 1 more nukta, 8 nukta, or I can also do it 9 nukta. Okay, so I'll just do a variation to this, and I will take a 9 nukta. I mean it to 9 nukta alif, 9 nukta alif and 2 nukta depth. So there will be total 11 nukta. So this is how you can, in a single this is one line sentence formation. Okay, this is not multi-layered. In the last two classes we will also see the multi-layer basics of multi-layer composition, the lot more details of multi-layer composition, or the letters that we write in a circle or in different shapes, that we will take up in the third level of this course. This is the second level advanced, and the third level of this course we will take up those details in that third level. Okay, so in single line also there are a lot of variations that you can do. You can make in standard size. Okay, or what you can do is you can increase the alifs. Okay, everything else will be same, just all the letters that like alif, lam and all of those, and the height of those can be increased. So I'll just make alif, as it will be a taller alif up till this point. Okay, so Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And accordingly we will have the the mizan in proportion. Okay, this becomes alif, give a hilya right here, inna. So this becomes alif, and then we will make noon. Okay, now the depth of noon is 2 nokta. I will start somewhere at this height, bit more than the first stroke of noon is 2 nokta, and depth is also 2 nokta. So the connecting part, including if I say take that to be half nokta, so the altogether the height of noon will be around 4.5 nokta. So I'm taking 1 2 3 4.5 nokta. I will make an S curve. The width of first stroke is just 1 nokta. Okay, so I'll make an S curve like this. Okay, now from this point where I left, I can start right from there. For 2.5 nokta we go down, 1 2 2.5 nokta in noon we go down, then we give an istiqrar, and then we start to curve up from this point, curve up. At many places you will see, though the casa of noon and all the other letters is same, but lot of calligraphers do make noon to be wider. Okay, so we can make it will be like, I would say, good 5 noktas noon. So noon you can make it bit wider as well. Now this becomes noon. I can place nukta later, I'm just placing it right now, inna. So Allah, now I will make alif right at this point. I could have made noon wider so alifs fit in this well, but I haven't done that. So I will just make alif. I want to end, that's why we should place nukta later. I've made nukta now I have to adjust alif right over here somewhere, so it doesn't touches the nukta. It's better that we make nukta later, so I can wherever I have placed, I will just ignore this nukta right now, and I'll make alif. We can place the nukta later. Okay, so we have to plan it well before we start. I'll make alif. Okay, so this is the reason why place nukta right at the end. Okay, Now the next is Allah. So this became alif. Now we write Allah. So if I want to end my like Allah lam right here, so I have to start. We know the first stroke of lam in Allah is around 3 nokta. So just check at this height. Okay. Now from this 1, 2, 3 and around 4 nokta or 3.5 nokta is used. So I will start making Allah right at this point, the lam of Allah right at this point. Okay, we make it this way. Okay, we curve up. Okay, these two strokes are at same height. Okay, now from this point I will just curve on the inside, exit the stroke right at this point. If you'll remember this basics, I have to exit the stroke at this point. Okay, or 1 nokta above. Okay, so I'll exit it right at this point. Now I will make this ha right here. We did this in basic. Lafzul Jalala that we did in basic. Okay, Inna Allah. Now is next is yuhibbu. Now if you see, if I haven't done a smaller composition, if I did that, that will make my work lot more easier. Now I wrote Inna Allah. The next letter is yuhibbu. Now as I said, there are different possible variation, and what I am doing is I am taking this one ya and ha right over here. So my ba, since ba has just and how we try to do is we try to place the last connection on the baseline. Okay, but since we have this we have taken this 9 nokta, so we have enough space. We can make the letters a bit above and below, not a problem. Okay, it should just fit in the lines that we have made. Okay, we have given this 9 nokta, so we have a lot of space, so we made Allah a bit above. If we didn't have space, we had to make Allah like my alif will start from this point, it will end right here, and we can make Allah a bit below. But what I'm doing is right now, according to where I have this space, this is, I wouldn't say that there's nothing right or wrong in this. You can place it and you can make some variation in a single line composition. Okay, so if I want to make it, now this becomes in Allah. Now the next is yuhibbu. Now either I can make it will look like noon is ending right here, ha will end right here, and the next ba will end right here. Okay, so you can make a variation this way, or if you want you can write it in a straight line, not keeping going up and down. Okay, now if I start ya right from this point, or to keep it simple, I will just start from this point itself. I can make it right here. So there are a lot of different possibilities. I can make yuhibbu like ya and then ha and then ba over here, but the next letter is al muhsinin. Again, if I plan to make alif of in that al inside the casa of ba, there won't be space, so I'm trying to make it right here. Okay, so I'll just make it right here. I will at this place, or this is one of the baseline, the first baseline, I can end it right here. So I'll just start from this point. Okay, I will make this initial shape of ya. Okay, we'll just make ha from this point. We curve down exit the stroke at half, and I will make this up curve because I want to make ba right here. Yuhibbu. Now from this point I can make ba, letter ba. Again for ba we can place nukta later, but since we don't have much letters over here, I'm placing nukta. We can extend this and give a hilya. Okay. Inna Allaha yuhibbul muhsinin. I will make al muhsinin. So I'll make al if I want to keep it close, or I can start it later. So I have space, I can make al. And wherever we make alif, we need to see that all these alifs are similar. Okay. So I'm making alif. I'm not touching it right till this point, or it wouldn't look good. Now this part is lam and meem and ha, as we know. So I will make lam. I want to end, for example, ha at this point. I want to touch ha right at this point. This will be the height of ha, and then I'll make meem till this point. Okay, so this, I have this space of lam. Okay, and I will keep good enough gap of around more than 2 nokta, and I will make meem right over here to fit meem. Okay, and from this point I will just I will just connect ha now I want to connect seen. So again the connection of seen will be right here. Okay, so now you can extend this part till this point to join it. Okay, so it looks connected, although it's not joining from here, but just to make it look connected. Now if you see why this ba has not connected to alif. Alif does connect from right hand side, does not connect from left hand side though, but it connects from right hand side. So why this ba is not connected? This is the part of learning the Arabic language. Then you will know inna is one word. Noon will not connect to alif. Even here noon will not connect to alif because inna is a different word. In a sentence there are words. Okay, so inna is a word, so noon will not connect to alif. Allah is a word, ha will not connect to this letter ba. Sorry, ya. Ha will not connect to ya because yuhibbu is a different word, Allah is a different word, no, inna is a different word. Similarly, al muhsinin is a different word. Okay, so I'll make seen right over here now, keeping the rules similar. 1 nokta, 1.5 nokta, I will extend this part so this scene looks clear. Scene, then ya. This becomes, now this stroke will be of ya. Okay, now again there will be one more stroke for this muhsinin. Okay, so this stroke is of noon, then one more for ya, and then again for the last end shape of noon, since noon is the last letter in this word. Okay, so instead of making it just like this, it might be confusing. So what I can simply do is muhsin, and then this becomes noon. Now this is noon is complete here. Now what will I do? I'll simply take it up like this. This was also one of the middle form of ba, ta, sa, noon. Okay, So I will just make now this stroke instead of making it this way. This is also correct. Just to make it look beautiful, what you can do, you can extend this part, and now from this part till this part, this is neen, yeah, this is yeah, okay, and then I can make the end form of noon right over here. Okay, so with this we complete writing Inna Allaha yuhibbul muhsinin. The variation could be, I can make this entire part, I can make this lam a bit longer. I can start like I can make meme and I could make ha right up till this point. Okay, so this requires pre-planning where you have to fit the letters, or else it might come out to be, it will come out to be something at the end, but if you plan it well, you will get a good composition as well. Okay, so what I can do is I can all these letters can rest on this baseline as well. This is the second, this is the first baseline, but since I've extended this, you see, instead of using just 9 noktas, I'm using 11 nokta, so we have a bigger space. Just try to, in this single line composition, everything to be in one line. Okay, and if you don't want to confuse, since this is calligraphy and not script, in script every letter comes after it. In a script, inna and then Allah will not come inside that, Allah will come after inna, after inna, then Allah will be there, and then yuhibbu will be there, and alif of al muhsinin will not come here, it will come after this. So that's the simplest form, and we tried some complex composition. So you can write in the simple way, or you can just try out some compositions and the possible variations. Okay, so with that we complete writing this. I will give the noktas, just ignore this nokta, and I will place the nokta of noon right here. Okay, it can be placed, not a problem. Inna Allaha yuhibbu, this is ya, so I'll place the nokta of ya right here. Yuhibbul muhsinin, again ya, sorry, noon. Okay, and then yeah, and then again this is noon. Okay, so with that we complete writing it. If you muhsinin, okay, I will give the harakats to this. Just a second. Take a smaller column for harakats. Yeah, or I'll just use this ink for harakats. Inna. So this is, this is you can make a kasra right here. Inna. Okay, this is shadda. Inna. Inna Allaha. You know how to write Allah? There is this tashdeed or shadda. Okay, and there is this fatha. We can make a longer fatha since we have space right here, and there's also this dagger alif. This is called dagger alif, or we say urdu khada zabar. Inna Allaha. Okay, for this have yuhibbu, so this will have yuhibbu. Okay, so there will be a dhamma. Okay, there will be a shadda. Okay, and there will be a shadda that has a dhamma. Okay, inna Allaha yuhibbu. Okay, ha will have a, ya has this page, ha will have a kasra, so I can place it right here as well. If I have a space, if I want to fit everything in 2 lines, I can place it right here. Okay, yuhibbu, or I can place this shadda over here as well. I have a space, so I can place this shadda right over here as well, not a problem. Yuhibbul muhsinin. I'm excluding the harkats of al part, that's understood sometimes. So I'll make muhsinin. Meme will have a dhamma. Oh sorry, this dhamma didn't, actually this is wet, so I'm just taking care, so this became muhsinin. Ha will have a sakin. Okay, muhsinin. Sin will have a kaswa. Neen, and noon will again have a kasra. Neen. Ya will have a sakin or sukoon. Muhsinina. So again there will be a fatha right at the end. If you want to make for al, bull. Sorry, this will not be there on sorry, this is not correct. Okay, fatha is not on alif. Yuhib bull. Lam will have a sakin. Okay, so I can make that sakin right here. Okay, yuhibbul muhsinin. So this becomes innallaha yuhibbul muhsinin. Now I will just give the mizan to this. I don't know where is my ink for mizan. I'll just use this one. The color combination ain't looking good, but I will just show you with this itself. Inna. So what you do, this part as we know is of 2 nokta. So this should be 2 nokta. Inside part is of 5 nokta. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and this, as we know, this top part is of 1 nokta. In Lafdul Jalala, this is of 1.5 nokta. Here this part is of 1.5 nokta. Here this is of 1 and 2 nokta. This part is 1 nokta. This part is 1.5 or 2 nokta. Okay, here the space is 1 nokta. This part, this space is 2 nokta or 1.5 nokta. This is around 2, 3. This stroke is around 3 noktas. Okay, if you see this casa part of that can be 6 to 11 noktas, 4 to 11 noktas, 4, 5 and 6 we have here in standard size itself. Here this width, this basically is of 2 noktas. Where should I fit it? 1 and 2 nokta. This mean this entire part of ha, if you see, this is 2 nokta and bit more than that, this will be 3. So this entire part of ha, if you see, should be around 5 noktas. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this ha part, entire part of ha. Okay, and if you see this space right here, 1 nokta, as we know, 1 nokta seen, 1.5 nokta seen this here. This space we kept it for seen to be 3 noktas, so that seen is clearly visible. This part can be 1 to 2 noktas. This part again 1 to 2 noktas, and at the end this depth of noon is 2 noktas, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 nokta. Okay, so with that we complete writing this ayah, inna allaha yuhibbul muhsinin. If you want, you can give a this right here, so it looks similar. Okay, so try to make composition as good as possible. You can keep it in single line or you can put it bit above and below. This is still a single line composition. All we are doing is, depending on the space we have, we are fitting the letters, and that's it. Overall the composition should look good. That's it. Okay, so that's all for this class. Assalamu alaikum, take care.